Rosey Girl by me, Carol Ann Henderson. I remember you when your eyes were still blue and you were very small. You came to us a tiny girl who couldn't walk at all. First it was fall, then Christmas time came. Soon it was a brand new year. Such a little lady you have become, as spring is in full bloom now here. You have developed your own persona, pretty cool for a special needs kitten, due to your own innate nature and our best attempt to nurture you. Your preciousness has us quite utterly smitten. Now that it's your 8-month birthday, I've got something important to say. The golden joys you've brought into our lives make it more than magical here, every single day. So here are some wishes my heart holds for you. May every single one of them come true and more. I love you with my heart and soul and every fiber of my being. And with each new day, I still find myself loving you even more. Thank you for being a miracle in our lives, little one. Rosey Girl, we love you, and you make us sure that we know what love is all about.